no risk of safety. I'm going to show you how to clean your keypad. Your buttons are sticking, they're not working, probably because it's dirty. I'm going to show you how to clean it.
You're going to need some basic tools: flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a small screwdriver, a brush or a toothbrush, paper towels, and glass cleaner. Basically what you're going to do is, whether your tabs are on the bottom, the top, or if it has a screw in it, you're going to pop the tabs by sticking your screwdriver in there. You give it a little twist, and it'll come right apart. Then what you're going to see is something like this. What you're going to do is you're going to remove your wires, and it is very important that you do not let your wires touch. On the keypad, the wires are labeled. On the keypad, Y is to yellow, plus is to red, black is to the minus, and G is to green. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull the tabs up, pop out the screen, or pop out the board, I should say. And that's what you've got. We're going to pull the keys out. We're going to spray it down with glass cleaner. We're going to take our brush and just scrub it down real good. A toothbrush works excellent. Just make sure that the back of them are real clean. Then what you can do is you can take and wipe your keyboard off. And make sure there's no burnt spots or any kind of buildup or anything else on your keypad. If it doesn't, it probably doesn't need to be cleaned. It probably needs to be replaced. Then just make sure everything is good and clean. Make sure your numbers are in right. Reattach your board. Then reattach your wires. Remember, it's very important you do not let your wires touch. Remember, yellow to Y, red to plus, black to negative, and G to green. When you hear the keypad beep, that means the power is reapplied, so don't be alarmed. Then you just pop it back in. That's it. You're all done. Thanks.